iPhone 17 Pro Max. A first look. Is it worth the $2,000 price tag? Apple's next big launch is already making waves. The iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max are expected to stick with the same screen sizes, 6.3 inches for the Pro and 6.9 inches for the Pro Max, but the design might see some bold changes. One of the biggest rumors: Apple could be switching from a titanium frame to aluminum. This move could make the phone lighter while still keeping it durable. Plus, the back of the device might blend glass and aluminum for a stronger, more modern look. Another design tweak might be the camera bump. Instead of the usual square layout, Apple could go with a more rectangular or oval-shaped bump. This could improve how spatial video is captured, giving users a more immersive experience when filming. But that's not all. Apple might introduce a brand new model called the iPhone 17 Air. It's expected to be ultra-thin, possibly between 5.5mm and 6.25mm thick, and feature a 6.6-inch display. If the rumors are true, this could be the slimmest iPhone ever made. When it comes to performance, Apple's going full throttle. The iPhone 17 series is likely to bring in the new A19 and A19 Pro chips. These next-gen processors are expected to boost performance, battery life, and AI-powered features. The A19 will power the regular models, while the Pro versions will get the more powerful A19 Pro, perfect for gamers and heavy multitaskers. Memory is also getting a bump. The Pro models may come with 12 GB of RAM, while the standard and Air models might include 8 GB. That means faster app switching, smoother multitasking, and better overall speed. For storage, options might range from 128 GB up to a massive 1 TB, depending on the model. And with support for Wi-Fi 7***, users can expect faster and more stable internet connections. Now let's talk cameras. The iPhone 17 Pro Max is expected to feature a triple camera setup, including a 48MP main sensor, an ultra-wide lens, and a periscope zoom lens. A LiDAR scanner might also be included for better depth sensing and low-light shots. Meanwhile, the standard iPhone 17 and the newer model might skip the periscope lens but still include a high-quality 48MP main camera and an ultra-wide lens. The Air could even stick to a single lens system but still deliver sharp, vibrant images. All models are expected to include a 24MP front camera, giving users high-quality selfies and video calls with great detail and clarity. Apple is expected to launch the iPhone 17 lineup in September 2025. This time, the series could include for models iPhone 17, iPhone 17 Pro, iPhone 17 Pro Max, and the all-new iPhone 17 Air. The Air seems to be replacing the older Plus model and could offer a more affordable option with a fresh, lightweight design. With all these exciting updates, from slimmer builds to stronger performance, it's clear Apple is aiming to impress in 2025. So what's your pick? Are you interested in the sleek and minimal iPhone 17 Air? Or are you holding out for the power-packed Pro Max? Let us know in the comments, and be sure to subscribe for more Apple news, reviews, and deep dives.